Good morning everyone. I am Kajal ma'am and I am back. Don't forget to mark your attendance. Children, do you remember I had asked you the question in the last class? How can you use vegetable scraps? So, let us find it out today. Now children, I will show you a small video. How are vegetable scraps recycled? Are you eager to watch the video? I think you all are eager to watch the video. Here it goes.
Food waste has a big impact on the environment, as most of it ends up in landfill sites where it rots and releases methane, a harmful greenhouse gas. The best thing we can do with our food is enjoy it, but some waste like banana skins, tea bags and plate scrapings are inevitable. Many councils now collect food waste for recycling. Have you ever wondered how it's recycled? Well, here's how. Your food waste goes into an enclosed tank where there is no oxygen. Microorganisms then go to work breaking it down. This process is called anaerobic digestion. As the food waste breaks down, it creates a fertilizer that can be used in farming. It also gives off biogas, which is collected and used to generate heat and electricity. This can be used to power our homes and schools. It's good to know that recycling just one lorry load of food waste can generate enough energy to power over 20,000 TVs for an hour. To find out more about food recycling, visit recyclenow.com.
So, you all have learned how food waste is converted into reusable material. Food waste is a good manure for plants. It is used as fertilizers for farming. Food waste also produces biogas, which is used to generate heat and electricity. And this electricity can be supplied to various places. India is the third largest producer of electricity. I guess you all have understood how food waste is recycled. Now, let's proceed further. Before proceeding, let's recap what we have learned about the wonderful waste. The Maharaja of Travancore had invited many guests at his palace for a grand dinner. When he entered the kitchen to survey the dishes made by the cook, he saw the basket full of vegetable scraps. He asked the cook what was he going to do of those vegetable scraps. The cook replied, "It is waste and he will throw it away." Now let's continue. I will read the next paragraph. Listen to me carefully and then I will explain it to you. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Children, when you go for a picnic, your teacher orders you strictly not to do any mischief. Do you listen to your teacher? I think you all listen to your teacher and follow her orders. So likewise, the king commanded sternly to the cook not to waste the bits and the pieces of vegetables. Now, let's see the new words and its meanings. Command, to give someone an order. Command, to give someone an order. Sternly, in a way that shows disapproval. Sternly, in a way that shows disapproval. Now, let's read the next paragraph. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. It was very difficult for the cook to use the vegetable scraps. He kept on looking at the vegetable scraps. He kept on thinking, what shall he do of those vegetable scraps? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Now let's see the new words and its meaning. In a fix, in a difficult situation. In a fix, in a difficult situation. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Now let's see the next two lines. He took all the vegetable bits and washed them and cleaned them well. Children, your mother also washes and cleans the vegetables before cooking. You also have to wash fruits before eating. Even not only wash fruits but also wash your hands before eating. I know nowadays you all wash your hands frequently. Now what next? We'll see in the next class. What is cook going to prepare out of vegetable scraps? Would the dish be tasty? Will the guest enjoy eating the new dish of vegetable scraps? What does your mother do with the excess food left over? We'll see in the next class. Before leaving, let's recap the new words. Command, to give someone an order. Command, to give someone an order. Sternly, in a way that shows disapproval. Sternly, in a way that shows disapproval. In a fix, in a difficult situation. In a fix, in a difficult situation. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Survey, look closely or examine. Survey, look closely or examine. Feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Scrape, a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. Scrape, a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. Children, eat healthy and stay fit. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye.